Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Gitter Official. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to fix the automatic repair couldn't repair your PC error in Windows 11. If your computer is stuck in the automatic repair loop, don't worry, I'll help you fix it easily. Step 1. Boot into Advanced Options. First, restart your computer. As soon as it starts and you see the Windows logo, press the power button to shut it down. Repeat this 2 to 3 times until you see the automatic repair screen. Once you're on that screen, click Advanced Options. Then select Troubleshoot. Here, you'll see options to reset your PC or uninstall recent updates, but we won't do that right now. Instead, click on Advanced Options again because we're going to repair the computer first. Step 2. Try Startup Repair. Click on Startup Repair, the first option. Let Windows scan and attempt to fix startup issues. If it doesn't solve the problem, come back to the same Advanced Options screen again. Step 3. Use Command Prompt for manual fix. Now click Command Prompt. We'll run a few commands here to repair system files and boot issues. Type the following commands one by one. Check disks. This checks your disk for errors and fixes them. Now the next command. sfc/scannow. This scans and repairs corrupted system files. Update. This updates group policy settings, works for some PCs. BOOTREC/fixmbr. BOOTREC/fixboot. These commands repair the boot configuration. If they don't work on your system, that's okay. Once all commands are done, type fix it. Then close the command prompt. Step 4. Restart your PC. Click Continue to boot back into Windows. Your PC should now start normally. That's it for today's video. If this video helped you fix the problem, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Gitter Official for more helpful tech tutorials.